How to WhatsApp from Android to Android after you switch from an old Android phone to a new one. Currently, we have 3 ways to implement transferring WhatsApp messages from Android to Android. Method 1. How to transfer WhatsApp from Android to Android with one click recommended. Wondering how to transfer WhatsApp contacts from Android to Android in a fast and effective way? Then, you cannot miss the Restore Social app. The following steps just show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats. Step 1. Choose the Restore Social app module. Step 2. Choose Transfer WhatsApp Messages option. Step 3. Place the 2 devices to right positions. Step 4. Start to transfer WhatsApp to new Android phone. Step 5. Transfer completed. Method 2. How to migrate WhatsApp from Android to Android via local backup. Backup WhatsApp on old Android. WhatsApp menu settings chats chat backup. Uninstall on old phone. Download on new phone. Check old phone's SD card type before installing WhatsApp on new phone. Step 4. After the installation, you can launch the application on the new Android and verify the same phone number that you have used to back up the chats. Step 5. Next, just tap on Restore when you get a prompt asking whether to restore the found backup. Method 3. How to move WhatsApp from Android to Android with Google Drive backup. Google Drive is also a good way to transfer WhatsApp messages. Back up old Android WhatsApp to Google Drive. Set up new Android with same Google account. Install WhatsApp. Verify old number. Restore messages from Google Drive. Click Restore. View chats by tapping Next.